A report on the guest lecture on Indian classical literature. The English Club of the PG and Research Department of English, Holy Cross College Autonomous, Naharkoil organized a guest lecture on Indian classical literature on February 10, 2025 in the seminar hall from 2 p.m. to 3:15 p.m. The organizers, Ms. K.V. Steffi and Ms. Sini Sabati, ensured the seamless execution of the event under the guidance of the convener, Dr. Alva Grace. The event commenced with a prayer song, setting a solemn and reflective tone. This was followed by a welcome address delivered by Sharon of 3rd BA English, who warmly welcomed the dignitaries, faculty members, and students. In her address, she highlighted the enduring significance of Indian classical literature and its influence on contemporary literary studies. The highlight of the program was the guest lecture by Dr. Anthony Prakash Babula, Assistant Professor of Tamil, Holy Cross College Autonomous, Naharkoil. In her insightful presentation, Dr. Babila explored the rich heritage of Indian classical literature, tracing its historical evolution, cultural impact, and literary depth. Her lecture provided a deeper understanding of classical texts, the philosophical underpinnings, and their continued relevance in the modern era. The session was interactive, allowing students and faculty members to engage with the resource person, pose thought-provoking questions, and share their interpretations of classical text. The event concluded with a vote of thanks by Clara Lydia of 2nd MA English, where appreciation was extended to the resource person, faculty, students, and the organizing team for making the program a fruitful learning experience. Finally, the session ended with the national anthem